I want to talk to you about how to remember people's names and ways you can do that. So the other day I was in a small space and there was really, it wasn't appropriate to have people put name labels on their shirts. They had good clothes. It wasn't that kind of group. And normally I would do like a tent card this size, and I'd have people write their name out in large, let's say it's Yvonne, and they can put a little smiley face on it or whatever. But there wasn't very much space. So what I did was I took my cardstock and I thought, well, maybe I can make a very small tent card. And so I just cut it like that, and I folded it like that. And this is really for me, not for them, because they know each other. It's an intact team. And I just asked them to write their name on this card. So let's say it was Greg. And then I had them, they were sitting casually and there wasn't really anywhere to put it on a table, but some of them had little side coffee tables like this, and other people will just put it down on the floor by their feet. And that way visually, I can remember their names. Because at the beginning, it may only take me half an hour to remember their names, but at least I've got a starting point. And then if they move around and it's still early and I haven't remembered their names, I ask them to take their little tent card with them. That worked out pretty well.